here I want to talk briefly about painting and staining walls. Maybe you don't want to wrap everything in fabric, and I get that. We do this thing called faux TNG, where we have the wall panels get these grooves that are cut by the CNC machine so it looks like, you know, wood paneling. You can do this with a table saw, you can do this with a router, you can get creative with these kind of things. And then people will paint those, like we'll paint them all different kinds of colors. Most people like white. It does get dirty fairly easily. Or, you know, like an off-white or a gray. We see a lot of that. We always use enamel, and it's like a cabinet grade, and then we use a very low nap roller to put this paint on. If you can spray it, that's ideal. That's the best way to get it done. I wouldn't use latex because it feels like it never quite dries, and again, the temperature fluctuations inside your van. The enamel seems like it works really, really well, hardens up well, and doesn't crack, and it doesn't get sticky when the van gets really hot. For stains, if you want to do all this wood, use some kind of natural stain. Keep in mind, we like to use Osmo Oil because it's low to no VOC and it's food safe. So it's just a really small area. Just be conscious of the chemicals that you're putting into your van because you will be inhaling those things later. I myself am very sensitive to polyurethane stains or oil-based stains. They're really gnarly. So keep an eye out for that kind of stuff. Water-based stains work well. They don't look as good and they don't penetrate as well, but it's better than having something that smells like, you know, you're huffing paint out of a bag. No one really wants that.